Hello everyone, so today we shared this analysis in free channel. It was the USDCAD pair. So let's see the confirmations that made us take this trade. So generally we start our analysis with the daily time frame. So let's see this daily chart, and in this daily chart we can see that price has created a strong support. So let me draw the daily support first, and usually the daily supports are strong, that is daily supports perform very strongly. To 4-hour time frame, as you can see, this is the structure created by price in the 4 hours time frame. Now we will move on to 1-hour time frame, and let me just remove the support because we won't be needing it now. This is the daily support. Now I want to go down to a much lower time frame for my analysis. So this is the 15 minutes time frame, and let me just zoom in so that we can see the candles more clearly. And as you can see, price has created a trend line in this area. So those traders who trade using trend lines, they will have their SL basing on this area. So the SL of the retailers will be in this area. Now as you can see that the price moved down here, and the reason for that was to grab the SL of retailers here. Now let us see if price have some target upwards, and as you can see that price has created equal high in this area. So as you can see, this is like a kind of resistance, and so there are retail SLs here in this area. Now if we look further up, we can see that price has some imbalance in this area up to here, and this is our imbalance area. So this is our imbalance area, this is the trend line, and this is our resistance. Now we can see that price has already got two targets to move upwards. One is to grab the SL on this resistance, and also to fill this imbalance area. Now if we look closely, we can see that these two candles right here were bullish, and it was our confirmation that price might go bullish from here. And this red candle, the high of this candle closed just above this bullish candle, and we took our buy entry here. Now the question is where we will keep the SL for this trade. Now let's see where we will take the SL for this trade. Now there can be two kind of SL for this trade. One is for those who are looking for short-term gain, and the other is for those who are looking for long-term gain. So at first, for those who are looking for short-term gain, one SL can be just below these candles. So let me mark this SL first so that it's easier for you to understand. So this can be an option of SL for short-term gain. Now if we look below, we can see that there is some imbalance just here, and we can keep SL for short-term gain just below this area as well. And the SL here is around 17 pips, and keeping the SL here, the TP for this trade will be just on this area or in the middle of this imbalance area. Now if we are looking for a long-term gain, then our SL will be just right here. And the TP will be above this area, and the TP here is around 70-80 pips, and the SL was around 50 or 56 pips right here. Now let us see how price moves for the small term gain. Now as you can see, price moved up, grabbing the SL of the retailers on the resistance area. So now as you can see, price moved further up, grabbing the SL on the resistance because it had some targets on the imbalance area. Now for those who had small SL, they already made some profit, because as you can see, the structure hit our target